So this is 21880 Railway Terrace in Sterling, Unit 300. So you got hardwood floors, looks like oak, nicely finished. It's a pretty bright unit. It's probably going to be hard to see in the video, but like the walls, they just look like somebody either tried to touch them up or they're just not, needs a little bit of work. Some spots on the ceiling too where there's some paint that doesn't match. It's either the wrong finish or something like that, but so some painting needs to be done in here. But got a double-sided fireplace. I don't know if you can see this spot on the ceiling. You got a lot of little spots like that. Here's the kitchen, granite countertops. Looks like you have a stainless steel dishwasher, but everything else is white appliances. This is a powder room. I'll head upstairs. You got furnace in here, washer and dryer right at the top of the stairs, full washer and dryer. Right here is the master. Somewhat of a vaulted ceiling here. Carpets are in okay shape. Looks like might need to be replaced. This is the master bath. That's vinyl on the floors. Looks like the caulking job around the tub could be redone. Just kind of, it's caulked and everything. Just looks kind of like an amateur job. Really big bead of caulk. The toilet looks like you might have had some leaking around there. I don't know if that's, floor doesn't feel soft or anything, but so there's a few maintenance items throughout here. Master closet. It's pretty marked up, so it definitely needs to be painted and whatnot. The second bedroom. Oops. Walk-in closet. A separate bath. Just a shower. Again, vinyl on the floor, that's not tile. Furnace room. That's it.